Hello devotees, welcome to Tirumala Tirupati Info by KHM channel. In today's video, we will learn the complete process of obtaining the Srivani Trust VIP Breakdarshan tickets offline. Whether you are planning a visit to seek the divine blessings of Tirupati Balaji or helping someone else prepare, this video will guide you step by step. So let's get started, and don't forget to share this video with your friends, family, neighbors and colleagues, and also subscribe to Tirumala Tirupati Info by KHM channel for more useful updates. The Srivani Trust VIP Breakdarshan at Tirumala Tirupati Temple offers devotees a serene and expedited darshan experience, allowing a close and peaceful view of Lord Balaji without the usual crowded queues. Srivani Trust VIP Breakdarshan tickets are available both online and offline. In this video, we will focus on the offline process, which is facilitated at two locations, Tirupati Airport and Gokulam Rest House in Tirumala. Each day, 200 tickets are issued at Tirupati Airport and 800 tickets are issued at Gokulam Rest House in Tirumala. You can check the current availability of these offline tickets using the Andhra Pradesh government's WhatsApp service. For a detailed guide on how to use this service, please refer to the video link in the first comment. The ticket counters at both locations open at 8 am daily and issue tickets only for the next day's darshan on a first-come first-served basis. Once the daily quota is exhausted, the counters close immediately, so there is no fixed closing time. Note that same-day darshan tickets and pre-bookings are not available offline at either location. To obtain a ticket, a donation of 10,000 rupees to the Srivani Trust is required, along with an additional 500 rupees for the darshan ticket, making a total of 10,500 rupees per ticket per person. Payments are accepted only via debit or credit cards. Cash is not accepted. After submitting and verifying the application form and completing the payment, a photo is taken via webcam and a ticket with your photo is issued. Each ticket allows only one person and only once to participate in the VIP Breakdarshan. Children under 12 years do not require this ticket but must carry valid ID for age verification while reporting for darshan. Indians can use an Aadhaar card or school ID, while NRIs should provide a passport photocopy. Tickets booked offline cannot be cancelled, rescheduled or transferred. To obtain a ticket, individuals must personally stand in the queue with their original ID proof and its 2 photocopies. Proxies are not permitted to book tickets on behalf of others. The darshan time slot for VIP Breakdarshan varies daily depending on temple functions, pujas and naivedyam, but it is always scheduled in the morning. The exact time is provided only after booking the ticket. Importantly, holding other Tirumala darshan tickets such as 300 rupees special entry darshan, virtual Arjita Seva, Anga Pradakshanam tickets or any other Tirumala darshan tickets does not restrict you from purchasing a VIP Breakdarshan ticket. This allows devotees to plan multiple darshans on the same day or consecutive days. Unlike other darshan tickets, there are no time restrictions between any two VIP Breakdarshans. So you can book multiple VIP Breakdarshans in the same month or even on consecutive days, provided you pay 10,500 rupees for each darshan. To purchase a ticket at Tirupati Airport, a valid boarding pass is mandatory, confirming that you arrive to Tirupati Airport on that day by flight. At the airport counter, you will receive an application form. Indians must submit 2 photocopies of their Aadhaar card and boarding pass, while NRIs need to submit 2 photocopies of their valid passport, 2 photocopies of their valid visa and boarding pass along with the filled application. If tickets are unavailable at the airport, you can try at Gokulam Rest House in Tirumala. No boarding pass is required to purchase tickets at Gokulam Rest House. Gokulam Rest House is located next to JEO camp office at Tirumala. However, expect large crowds on weekends with devotees lining up as early as 6 am. Weekdays, particularly Tuesday to Thursday, tend to have smaller crowds. Similar to the airport, you will need to fill out an application form, and Indians has to submit 2 photocopies of their Aadhaar card and NRIs has to submit 2 photocopies of the valid passport and visa along with the filled in application. If 2 or more devotees purchase tickets together at either location, they can request accommodation at MBC 34, located next to Gokulam Rest House in Tirumala. Accommodation is provided here exclusively for VIP Breakdarshan ticket holders on a first come first serve basis subject to availability. Rooms are allotted randomly by the system and you will need to pay the rent and caution deposit at the reception of the assigned rest house. Rooms are allotted for a maximum duration of 24 hours. If an extension is required, you are advised to request it at the reception on the day of check-in itself. Extension will be granted subject to availability and room vacancy. If no rooms are available at MBC 34, devotees can try the general accommodation booking counter at the CRO office. However, single ticket holders are not eligible for accommodation at either MBC 34 or the CRO office. The reporting point for VIP breakdashan is mentioned as week UC1 on the ticket, but you must report at ATC circle 15 to 20 minutes before your darshan time. Dress codes are strictly enforced. Men may wear a kurta with pajama or a shirt with dhoti, while women should wear a sari or chudidar with dupatta. There is no specific dress code for children. For a detailed list of items permitted and prohibited in the darshan queue, please check the video link in the first comment. During the VIP breakdashan slot, only these ticket holders are allowed inside the temple, ensuring a smooth and crowd-free experience with no pushing or pulling. This allows devotees to enjoy a divine darshan of Lord Venkateswara from a close distance of approximately 10 feet, creating a truly memorable spiritual experience. After darshan, you can visit the Laddu counter to receive one free Laddu per person upon submitting your ticket. Additional Laddus are available for purchase at 50 rupees for a standard sized Laddu or 200 rupees for a large sized Laddu. That's everything you need to know about obtaining Srivani Trust VIP breakdashan tickets offline. We hope this guide helps you plan a seamless and blessed visit to Tirumala. If you found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe to Tirumala Tirupati Info by KHM channel for more valuable updates on Tirupati travel, temple information and darshan guidance. Wishing you a safe and blessed journey. Thank you for watching and see you again in another informative video.